Hello students, today we are going to see a problem on continuity. This example question is a previous year public question which is a very most important model. So let us get into the question. Determine the value of k for which the following function is continuous at x is equal to 3. But in this question, f of x is equal to, they have given this function, they have mentioned that x is not equal to 3. Whereas for x is equal to 3, they have given the function k. We have already known that when it is a continuous function, left hand limit, that means 3 minus and 3 plus, both terms will be equal. So, left hand limit, that will be equal to right hand limit. So, whether it is continuous means this is a condition. So, we have to prefer which value? This function. So, limit x tends to 3 minus or 3 plus, both belongs to this case. So x plus 3 the whole square minus 36 divided by x minus 3. For x is equal to 3, what is the function they have given? K. So we are equating these two numbers. This is a function and this is a constant value k. So why we are taking this function as common term? Because in continuous function definitely left hand limit and right hand limit will be same. So we are taking this function single time alone. So and we are equating this value of k. Just imagine when we are directly substituting this value of 3 in the place of x, we will get 3 plus 3 the whole square means 6 square. 6 square means 36 minus 36 becomes 0. So this is not a correct way not to get into this type of questions. So what we have to do means, first we have to take this 36 as 6 square. So limit x tends to 3, x plus 3 the whole square minus this 36 could be written as 6 square divided by x minus 3, that is equal to k. So let us consider this one as, just imagine this is a square and this is b square. So what is the formula for a square minus b square? A square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we could write this forms as the model a plus b into a minus b. So I am taking this one in this model. So that is equal to limit x tends to 3. This numbers could be written as x plus 3 plus 6, x plus 3 plus 6 into, in the place of a we are having x plus 3 and in the place of b we are having 6. So minus 6 divided by x minus 3, which is equal to k. So now limit x tends to 3. This is x plus 6 plus 3 is 9. This one is x. Opposite signs means we have to subtract and use the greater number sign. So x minus 3 divided by x minus 3, that is equal to k. So cancel these two terms because they are in the product. So now the remaining values are limit x tends to 3, x plus 9, that is equal to k. Now we have to substitute this value of x3 in the term of x. So 3 plus 9, that is equal to k. So 12, that is equal to the value of k. So we have obtained the value of k as 12. So can you able to understand what I am saying is? So for this type of problems, we have to consider these two terms as equal. Then we have to, no, we shouldn't directly substitute the value of x in the place of the number which is given the question in the name of x. If we are substituting like that means we can't able to get the exact result of k value. So we have to choose another way. Likewise, I am choosing this a square. You have to check whether it is coming under any of the algebraic identities. So I could able to recognize that this is of the form a square and this is also a square number. So I have taken this one as a 6 square and converted this into this formula model. So after regular practices only you could able to understand continuity and proceed along that. So continuously watch our videos in order to get into the questions very properly, and you could able to recognize all the type of questions. So can you able to clear what I'm saying is a single time I'm going to explain in Tamil. So தமிழ்ல பாத்தீங்கன்னா இதுல x not equal to 3, x is equal to 3 னு ரெண்டு வேல்யூஸ் கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. பட் 3 மைனஸ் 3 பிளஸ் அப்படின்னா இந்த நாட் ஈக்குவல் டு 3னா அது 3 மைனஸாகவும் இருக்கலாம் 3 பிளஸாகவும் இருக்கலாம். ஸோ இந்த வேல்யூவை எடுத்து இங்கே வச்சுக்கிறோம், ஈக்குவல் டு கே சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். டைரக்டாக நம்ம 3யை வந்து எக்ஸ் இருக்கிற இடத்துல பிளேஸ் பண்ணோம்னா ஜஸ்ட் இமேஜின் பண்ணி பாருங்க. 3 plus 3 the whole square means 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36. So 36 minus 36 becomes 0. So the problem அங்கேயே என்ன ஆயிடும், முடிஞ்சிடும். ஸோ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண போறோம்னா இதை அல்ஜிப்ராய்க் ஐடென்டிட்டி மாடல்ல சேஞ்ச் பண்ணிக்க போறோம். ஸோ நான் இங்கே இதை பார்த்த உடனே எனக்கு என்ன தோணுதுன்னா இது 6 ஸ்கொயர்னு தோணுது. அதனால 6 ஸ்கொயர் சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணதுக்கு அப்புறம் தான் ஐடியா கிடைக்குது. திஸ் இஸ் ஆஃப் த மாடல் a ஸ்கொயர் மைனஸ் பி ஸ்கொயர்னு சொல்லிட்டு. ஸோ நான் என்ன பண்ணேன்னா a பிளஸ் பி இன்டூ a மைனஸ் பி டைப்புக்கு இதை ஸ்பிளிட் அப் பண்ணிட்டேன். இந்த x பிளஸ் 3ஐ ஏவாகவும் இந்த 6 ஸ்கொயரை பி 6ஐ பியாகவும் கன்சிடர் பண்ணிக்கிறோம். ஸோ a பிளஸ் பி into a minus b. So x plus 6 plus 3 is 9 minus 3. இந்த x minus 3 cancel பண்ணா x plus 9 மட்டும் இருக்கும். So xக்கு பதிலா 3 சப்ஸ்டியூட் பண்ணிக்கிறீங்க, ஆட் பண்ணா 12 கிடைக்குது. புரிஞ்சுதா? ஏதாவது டவுட் இருந்ததுன்னா கமெண்ட் செக்ஷன்ல கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க. I will clear all the doubts. Bye.